Hello, sir. Welcome to this edition of Uncovering India. Sir, Government of India has launched this Mera India program, Malaria Elimination Research Alliance program. So, can you please elaborate more on this program? What is this about?
So, this program is exactly for malaria elimination, removing of malaria time bound. They have given different timings for different states. That's one thing. And it's more of you are cooperating and you are contributing your research to a state, for the state. So the first thing is the LLINs, long lasting insecticide nets taken by the state, they are delivering to the construction people, construction labor. There, and from there we are collecting the data, how the malaria is moving. From the what are the breeding sites, what are the focus. This program is between state, concerned state and your field unit. So the LLINs are given by, distributed by the state, and then we are following the malaria parameters, both entomological and parasitological, regularly at frequent intervals to check whether really malaria is coming down, how far extent it has come down. These parameters are checked in the first place.
So, how will be the involvement of NIMR Goa field unit?
NIMR is going to a construction site, questioning, interviewing each labor, their origin, from where, if somebody has come from Bihar, some Bengal, some Andhra Pradesh, so are they bringing malaria, they are tested, and then they are followed every month.
So, what has been the kind of data you have recovered till now in terms of impact of this program?
First is the sociological data, their demographic, from where they have come, how many family members, whether they are malaria prone area they have come, and then how, when they have exactly come here. So this type of data.
And then you will be providing them, or you are providing them with medicated mosquito nets.
Through state.
Through
State
state.
has already provided. We have taken data from the state and we are monitoring this.
So, what is the number of nets that you have distributed till now?
Now they have distributed maybe, I don't know exactly, but 1,000 nets they must have distributed in 2-3 colonies.
Okay. So, what exactly it entails? You add it with the mosquito nets are mixed with your insecticides?
No, we have not done. It's a ready-made, produced by companies, given by central government, central organization. That's called National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program.
So, is there any parameter like how much quantity of this chemicals, insecticides would be there?
That's all depends on the lot. So insecticides are already treated. The advantage is it's treated with insecticide. On number of washings like 5, 4, they will not go out. It doesn't have to be washed. Even if you wash, the chemical will not go. And it's not harmful for the even children. And because now we take care of extreme age people, children and pregnant women.
So, how has been the reports from the field after the distribution of these mosquito nets?
This has been done in Orissa. Orissa, it has been very successfully done. Different states have done, because that's why all of the countries are adopting now.
So, any results you have obtained from Goa? Any results you are seeing in Goa?
We are now in the collection process, data collection process. So once that data is collected, then that will be analyzed by a statistician.
So what has been the information gathered from other states? What has been the results reported from there?
They are all published data. Now it's published data is there.
So what do they say? Is the impact positive?
Yeah, impact is positive. But we have done a preliminary survey, not with the alliance. It's called insecticide treated medicated nets. Medicated treated. So those we have taken in 2007. And it was very successful. Around say 10 construction sites we have selected, 10 for the control arm, 10 for the experimental arm. In the experimental arm we have seen malaria has come down by 80%.
It's been 1 year you have taken over as the officer in
no,
charge of.
more than 1 year.
More than 1 year.
In June, July.
So, how has been your tenure of last 1 year? What has been the experience, especially in this COVID period that we were in? Any particular initiative that NIMR took?
NIMR has cooperated with the Goa Medical College.
Mhm.
We have deputed two of our technicians, microbiologists, to the diagnosis is done by RT-PCR. So for carry out those experiments, we have deputed to me.
So, what is the future plan? Like, what are the other projects that NIMR Goa?
Now we are focusing on our malaria only. Earlier we used to share with the dengue, malaria, filaria, other. But now our director has given instructions to focus on malaria only. Malaria is a big problem.
But vector-borne diseases, in the trends show that dengue is on the rise in comparison to malaria. So, is it necessary to have a dual approach towards dengue and?
The malaria control measures are more or less same.
Okay.
So that's why we instruct the control measures to the individual places or individual. Tell them how to control. Means you say mainly dengue is there is no medicine. Only you have to remove the source. These are all source means you have to remove the water. These we are all following the central government rules and we are informing the company or the industry to do this.
So,
long-lasting insecticide LLIMs, they are very good for all the diseases because they are borne by mosquitoes.
so after your project with the laborers are over, after your data collection is over, do you think it should be now provided to the general masses as well?
That's what we are telling insecticide treatment should be given. So at least to some extent passively you can control. You don't have to take medicine. That especially vulnerable group like children, ladies, pregnant women, these people, their movements are restricted. So if they sleep under bed nets, these mosquitoes are night biters, malaria mosquito. So at least you can control to the last extent.
So in terms of research, a lot of research is happening in terms of changing the vector ecology of these mosquitoes, whereby introducing lab cultured mosquitoes in the.
Those experiments we are not doing. They say like radiated mosquitoes, sterile mosquitoes, those type of experiments are done in other places.
So any particular research in this type of research, anything that specifically being done here in NIMR?
In NIMR Goa we are not doing. It was abroad they were done radiated mosquitoes. They come in competition with the natural mosquitoes. And these mosquitoes what are given to the environment are sterile mosquitoes. So sterile mosquitoes compete with the natural mosquitoes. Definitely offspring will not be there. So
but any such attempt can be made here in NIMR Goa?
Goa.
Okay.
Because we are our mandates are different. Goa mandate is this thing, LLIMs and this bactericides like chemicals produce biological origin, this thing, bacillus. Those we are putting in the water. That experiments we have done called VectoBac.
So we are seeing that more and more there is your NIMR only had done a research on this insecticides becoming resistant to mosquitoes.
So we are trying to use the newer versions wherever because labs are producing. Last 2 years before we have done a bacteria from the VCRC Pondicherry. They have produced industrially, Vector Control Research Center. So that bacterial solution, supernatant, we are trying. Here we could see in malaria mosquitoes, they can control to some extent. Because environmentally they are friendly. They are already in the nature. So these advantages are there.
Any message that you would like to give to our viewers being heading this malaria research unit here in Goa regarding malaria control?
They should follow the government given mandates from time to time from programs so that successfully if they say you remove the water from source. So if at domestic level, if people are taking control, and education is must, children's school education, if people are aware, then half of the problem will be solved. It's not a problem. The only thing is people have to follow. Like children's education, school children education was successful here. Not now, it's maybe 5, 6 years, 10 years before. But when a child is taught, so he will tell the society, parents.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time and your thoughts. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.